Have you ever felt the weight of guilt pressing down on you, holding you back from living your life fully? Or perhaps fear has cast a shadow over your dreams, leaving you feeling trapped and uncertain. If so, you're not alone. These emotions are a part of the human experience, but they don't have to control us. Today, we're going to explore a powerful tool that can help you heal from guilt and fear: meditation. Through a guided meditation practice, we'll learn to quiet the mind, release negative emotions, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. This is not about suppressing or ignoring your feelings. It's about acknowledging them, understanding them, and ultimately transforming them. Guilt and fear can manifest in many ways. Guilt often arises from past mistakes or perceived wrongdoings. It can leave us feeling ashamed, unworthy, and stuck in a cycle of self-blame. Fear, on the other hand, is often rooted in anxiety about the future or the unknown. It can lead to worry, avoidance, and a sense of powerlessness. These emotions can affect us on both a physical and mental level. Guilt can manifest as a tightness in the chest, a knot in the stomach, or a general feeling of heaviness. Fear can trigger the fight or flight response, leading to rapid heartbeat, shallow breathing, and muscle tension. Mentally, guilt and fear can cloud our judgment, distort our perception, and erode our self-esteem. But here's the good news: we have the power to change our relationship with these emotions. Through meditation, we can learn to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating space for healing and transformation. We can learn to forgive ourselves for past mistakes and release the fear that holds us back. Now, let's explore the science behind meditation and how it can positively impact our mental and emotional well-being. At its core, meditation is a practice of training the mind to focus and redirect thoughts. It involves sitting in a quiet space, closing your eyes, and paying attention to your breath or a specific mantra. While it might sound simple, the effects of meditation are profound. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality. It can also enhance self-awareness, increase focus, and boost creativity. But perhaps most importantly for our purpose today, meditation can help us manage difficult emotions like guilt and fear. When we meditate, we create a space between ourselves and our thoughts and feelings. We learn to observe them without judgment, which can lessen their grip on us. This allows us to respond to challenging emotions with greater clarity and compassion rather than reacting impulsively. Think of your mind as a turbulent ocean. When you're caught up in guilt or fear, it's like being tossed around by the waves, feeling overwhelmed and out of control. Meditation is like finding a calm shore where you can sit and watch the waves crash without being swept away. From this vantage point, you gain perspective and the ability to navigate the turbulent waters more skillfully. Now, let's prepare to experience the benefits of meditation firsthand. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. While you inhale, feel your belly expand, and as you exhale, feel your body relax. Let go of any tension you're holding in your muscles. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. If your mind wanders, that's perfectly normal. Simply acknowledge the thought and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now, let's begin our guided meditation. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring to mind any feelings of guilt or fear that you're currently experiencing. Don't try to push them away or judge yourself for having them. Simply acknowledge their presence. Perhaps you're carrying guilt from a past mistake or fear about an upcoming event. Maybe it's a general sense of unease or worry that you can't quite pinpoint. Whatever it is, allow yourself to feel it fully. As you sit with these emotions, imagine a warm, healing light surrounding you. This light represents compassion and understanding. It gently washes over you, softening any harsh edges and easing any tension. As we continue, let's explore the power of visualization. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast, peaceful ocean. The sun is shining. The waves are gently lapping at the shore, and a gentle breeze caresses your skin. In your hands, you hold a heavy burden representing your guilt and fear. Feel its weight pulling you down, hindering your movement. Now, take a deep breath, and with a sense of release, let go of the burden. Watch as it sinks into the ocean, dissolving into the vastness. Feel the lightness that fills you as the burden disappears. Notice how your body feels, how your breath flows, how your mind clears. You are free. Continue to breathe deeply, basking in the sense of peace and liberation. Know that you can return to this visualization whenever you need to release guilt or fear. Healing is a journey, not a destination. It's okay if guilt or fear resurface at times. That's part of being human. The key is to develop tools to manage these emotions, and meditation is a powerful one. To experience the full benefits of meditation, it's important to make it a regular practice. Even a few minutes each day can make a significant difference. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. You can meditate in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, in the evening to unwind before bed, or anytime you need a moment of peace. Consistency is key. Just like physical exercise strengthens the body, regular meditation strengthens the mind. Over time, you'll notice increased resilience, greater emotional balance, and a deeper connection to yourself. In addition to meditation, there are other helpful practices for managing guilt and fear. Journaling can be a valuable tool for exploring your emotions and gaining insights. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can also provide support and perspective. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. If you're struggling to cope with guilt or fear on your own, don't hesitate to reach out. There are many resources available to help you on your journey to healing. Above all, be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would offer a loved one. Remember that you are worthy of love, forgiveness, and peace. While we come to the end of our meditation, take a moment to reflect on the experience. Notice any shifts in your thoughts or feelings. Perhaps you feel lighter, calmer, or more at ease. Maybe you have a renewed sense of hope or self-acceptance. Whatever you're feeling, honor it. This is just the beginning. The seeds of healing have been planted, and with continued practice, they will blossom into greater peace and well-being. We encourage you to revisit this meditation whenever you need to release guilt or fear. You can also explore other forms of meditation, such as mindfulness meditation, loving kindness meditation, or body scan meditation. There are many paths to inner peace, so find what resonates with you. While you go about your day, try to carry the lessons of this meditation with you. Be mindful of your thoughts and feelings and respond to them with compassion. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and release the fear that holds you back. Accept the present moment and all the possibilities it holds. You are not alone on this journey. There are countless others who have walked this path before you, and there are many who are walking it alongside you now. Reach out to them for support and offer your own support in return. We believe in your ability to heal and grow. You have the strength, the courage, and the resilience to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and trust in the power of love and compassion. Thank you for joining us on this journey of healing. May you find peace, freedom, and joy in every moment of your life.